Welcome. Today we are looking at the visions of Amos. So Prophet Amos saw 5 visions. The vision of the locusts, of supernatural fire, the plump line and the crooked wall, of a basket of summer fruits, and of the destruction of the altar. We start with the vision of locusts, and this you find in Amos chapter 7 verse 1 to 3. Amos was shown a locust plague that was about to consume the whole crop. The vision symbolized the disaster God was going to send to the Israelites for her sins. Amos pleaded with God, and God gave the people. Vision of the supernatural fire, and this you're going to find in Amos chapter 7 verse 4 to 6. Amos saw a supernatural fire which was to consume the earth upon which mankind lived. Amos pleaded with God again, and God withdrew the punishment. The vision of plump line and the crooked wall. This you're going to find in Amos chapter 7 verse 7 to 9. Amos saw a crooked wall being checked by a plump line. The wall was leaning over and was about to collapse. The wall represents Israel. God told Amos that he will measure his people using a plump line. He would no longer overlook their sins. Amos didn't plead with God. That means the punishment was inevitable. The vision of a basket of summer fruits, and this you're going to find in Amos chapter 8 verse 1 to 3. Amos was shown a basket of ripe fruits at the end of fruit season. Yahweh told Amos that Israel was ripe for destruction. Amos didn't plead with God. The fifth vision, the vision of the destruction of the altar. This you're going to find in Amos chapter 9 verse 1 to 4. Amos saw the Lord standing at the altar. God was commanding an angel to strike the altar and destroy it completely. All worshippers were to be struck. God was to destroy everyone. No one would escape from God, for God would follow them into their hidings.